Now, in this lesson, we're going to talk about how you can use the Hub to send contracts or proposals and get your clients to electronically sign them, and they'll even be notarized. So once you're in the Hub, you'll want to navigate over to projects. Once you're in a project, if you already have one created, great. But if not, you'll want to create a brand new project. You might have some templates you can pick from if you've created them in the past, but we'll create just a brand new project. New client project. It's going to be due September 30th. There's a quick turnaround. I can choose my client from the list. These are all my example clients. So let me just go ahead and do that. Then I'll launch the project. From here, I can start creating tasks and do all the great things that come with the project management, but I'm going to jump right into what this lesson is about. So towards the bottom, there's this electronic signature section. If you click it, it'll load up. If it's your first time selecting it, you might get asked a couple of questions around like what location you want to have it from. Well, once you're in here, you can either drag and drop a file to sign or just click browse. I have a sample website design template I can use here that I got online. And then if you're the only signer, which doesn't make sense, but you can still do that, you can do so here. You can also add additional signers. So I'll add in my alias, jn@godaddy.com. So I have those two signers. You can have more if you want, but those are the only two that I need to get this contract signed and this project started. So I'll go ahead and click next. From here, here's my fake contract. It's got all the things and stuffs, all the legal things. So from here, I'd put in the date. So this doesn't have the ability to set the date automatically inside a custom type of field. It only supports e-signatures, initials, and the name. So I just put in the date there. But it's pretty simple. You would just click and drag over your name or the designer or developer or whoever you may be. There, I'll do the e-signature here. Your client that needs to sign this will be in this pink here. So e-signature down low, I can click and drag it around. Name can go here. Perfect. So I have my name, my signature, my client's name, my client's signature, the date I have there. If you need any initials, you can easily throw them in wherever, depending on what you need for your contract. But once you're done, you can go ahead and preview it. Here's my contract and the signatures. So now I can click send. Now those were sent off to me. From here, I can go ahead and get this contract signed and out of the way just by clicking it open and then clicking sign. You would type in your name. Initials will automatically go there. You can do just an e-signature name here. If you want to draw it yourself and be all fancy, you can. I'm terrible at doing that. So I'm just going to do the e-signatures and initial, read and agree to the terms and click next. All right. And then I would scroll down to the very bottom. My name's already inputted there. I can do e-signature just by clicking it. And then I'll preview and send, and then sign it down here. And now I'm waiting for my client to go ahead and send it over. And then I'll look at it from the client's perspective. So when your client gets this email to them, they'll get to this screen. They'll need to agree to the terms. Scroll down. They'll scroll down to the areas that you need them to sign. They'll type in their name, similar process. Let me just do my opposite name, Neely Justin. And J, I've read and agreed. I've hit done. I've signed, preview and sign again. They can download the document once it's all said and done. The e-signature certificate, they can preview and download the notarization certificate. But if you go back to your area, you can see that it has been updated. It has been signed by both parties. I can open it up and look at the information. I can download the notarization certificate, look at the signed document, and actually look at the original uploaded file. But that's all we have for you for creating a signature document inside the Hub by GoDaddy Pro. We'll see you in the next lesson.